Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Adil Akbar. I'm from UBS Ikaliaba and my major is software engineering. Today I would like to share my opinion about our new president, Mr. Prabowo Subianto. For me, President Prabowo is one of the most interesting and inspiring figures in Indonesian modern history. Prabowo Subianto started his career in Indonesian military. He was a soldier who dedicated his life to serving the nation. His discipline, courage, and strong leadership were known since he was young. Many people saw him as a man of action, someone who doesn't easily give up. However, his journey was not always easy. During the 1998 tragedy, Indonesia went through a very difficult time, a time of political and social change. Prabowo also faced many challenges and controversies during that period, but what I admire about him is that he didn't disappear or give up. Instead, he learned from his past, reflected on it, and came back stronger. Years later, Prabowo entered the world of politics. Even though he lost in several presidential elections, he never stopped trying. That saw his present tense and his love for the country. Finally, his dream come true. Now serve as the president of Indonesia. I believe his background as a military officer shaped the way he leads. He valued discipline, loyalty, and unity. He always talked about defending Indonesia's sovereignty and improving the welfare of the people. I think that's what makes him a unique leader. He combined the heart of a warrior with the vision of statesman. Now let's talk about his government team. President Prabowo has chosen strong, capable people to be part of his cabinet. Many of them work very hard to make real change in different sectors. I can see that his ministers are active, creative, and focused on results. They are not just sitting in officer. They go to the field, listen to people's problem, and try to solve them. Compared to some minister in the past, like the Ministry of Finance, which was sometimes criticized for being too slow or to focus on technical measures, Prabowo team look more dynamic. They show teamwork, coordination, and a clear sense of mission. I think that's one of the reasons people are starting to believe again the government. Personally, I feel proud to have a president who has gone through so many ups and downs but still choose to serve his country with full dedication. I hope that President Prabowo and his team will continue to bring peace, progress, and prosperity to Indonesia. To me, his story is not only about politics, it's about resilience, prioritization, and never giving up on your dreams. Thank you for your listening to my opinion. Goodbye. And then this the second video I want to be a presentation the question words. The use of WH question word is a 5 W and 1 H. What, where, when, who, why, and how. What are question words? Every question is made of keywords that help us find specific information and understand others better. These words are called question words or WH words because most of them begin with the letters. WH question words are very important in English because they help us ask about people, place, things, reason, and ways of doing something. Without question words, it would be difficult to communicate clearly or get detailed answers. Each question was such as what, where, when, who, why, and how has its own special purpose in forming meaningful questions and making conversation more effective. Structure of question is every question in English has a special structure or pattern. Understanding this structure helps us make correct and meaningful question. The most common pattern is question word, auxiliary verb, subject, main verb. For example, what do you eat every morning? This is for example. What is question word? Do auxiliary, you subject, and it is a main verb. In the second example, where is she going? Where is a question word is auxiliary, she is subject, and going main verb. Types of question word. What? Ask about things. Where? Ask about place. When? Ask about time. Who? Ask about a person. Why? Ask about reason. And how? Ask about manner of process. WS and 1S example. What are you doing? And two, where do you live? And three, when is your birthday? And three, and four, who is your best friend? And five, why are you studying English? And how do you go to school? Using question words in daily life. We use question words in daily life to ask for information and understand others better. They help us communicate clearly, politely, and make conversation and more meaningful. Learning question words is not just about grammar. It helps us speak and connect with people in real life. Closing. In closing, question words are very important in English because they help us ask for specific information and make our communication clear and more meaningful. Each question word, what, where, when, who, why, and how has its own special function. Because by using them correctly, we can understand others better and express our idea more effectively. Thank you for listening and goodbye.